How to find unknown person, name, and details with just a picture. So if you want to find unknown person, name, and details with just a picture, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Google or just go with your browser. On your browser, you need to search for google.com and it will get you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go to the top where you will have the images option. Tap on images. Once you tap on images, it will take you to Google Images. Now you need to just go with the lens shaped icon or the camera shaped icon. And here you need to either drag an image or upload a file. Or you can also paste the image link and then tap on search. But I'll just simply go with my device image. So tap on upload a file, select the image. Once you've selected, then you will have all of the information about that person, the person's name, details, and everything. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.